In this instructional video, we will show you how to replace the water temperature sensor. This is found on the back of the head, and the procedure will be the same for Miatas from 1990 to 2005. What you're going to need is this 19mm socket. It has to be a deep socket, and you'll have to kind of move it around to find the sweet spot because the connector won't fit, as you can see, until you find just the right slot. Once you locate the sweet spot, you'll be able to slide the socket over the old sensor in order to remove it. Once you've broken the old sensor loose, simply remove it by hand, but be careful not to lose the washer that is on the old sensor. This washer will need to be transferred onto the new water temp sensor. Once you've got it on, get it started by hand, make sure that it'll thread in properly. Then finagle your socket on to make sure it's not going to damage the connector portion, and all you need to do is snug it down. The housing back there is very fragile, so don't overdo it. Once you've tightened it down, you can check it by hand. If it looks like it's not going to go anywhere, clip it on and you are set to go. Congratulations.